वंदामि भन्ते.
तिरुवन
भन्ते आले.
शर्मा बनते.
Yes, Irfan Sarman.
How are you, Bante?
I am okay.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Asking for Kshama Yachana.
Okay.
ओकास बन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन कत्तं सब्बं अपराधं क्षमतु मे भन्ते द्वितीयंपि बन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन कत्तं सब्बं अपराधं क्षमतु मे भन्ते तृतीयंपि वन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन कत्तं सब्बं अपराधं क्षमतु मे भन्ते.
Yesuki hoto nibbana pacca hoto kama kita bang.
साधु साधु साधु. Bhante asking for Ajivatta Maggashila
Okay.
Yachana. ओकासहं भन्ते त्रिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कृत्वा शीलं देतमे भन्ते द्वितीयंपि अहं भन्ते त्रिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कृत्वा शीलं देतमे भन्ते तृतीयंपि अहं भन्ते त्रिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कृत्वा शीलं देतमे भन्ते.
Yamahang vadami tam vadetha.
आं भन्ते.
Namo tassa.
नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स. नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स. नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
द्वितीयंपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
द्वितीयंपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
द्वितीयंपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
तृतीयंपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
तृतीयंपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
तृतीयंपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
Saranagamana sampurnam.
आं भन्ते.
Panatikta veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
पानातिपाता वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि.
Adinnadana veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
अदीन्नदाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि.
Kamesu miච්ඡाචාරා veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
कामेषु मिच्छाचारा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादियामि.
මුසාවාදා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
මුසාවාදා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
පිසුනා වාචා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
පිසුන්නා වාචා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
පරුසා වාචා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
පරුසාය වාචා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
සම්ප්‍රප්පලාපා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
සම්පප්පලාපා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
මිච්ඡාජීවා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
මිච්ඡා ආජීවා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි.
තිසරණේන සද්ධින්නා ජීව අට්ඨමක සීලං ධම්මං සාධුකං සුරක්ෂිතං කତ୍වා අපමාදේන සම්පාදී තබ්බං.
ආම්භන්තේ සාදු සාදු साधु
समन्ता
सर्वांनी त्रिवार वंदन करा. आपण जिथे कुठे असाल तिथं बनतेंना त्रिवार वंदन करा.
सुखी हो तो निब्बान पत्य हो तो सुखी हो तो
थँक्यू बनते.
सुखी. समन्ता चक्रवाणीषु अत्रा गच्छन्तो देवता सद्धम्मं मुनिराजस्य शृण्वन्तो सघमुखदं धम्मश्रवणकालो अयं भदन्त धम्मश्रवणकालो अयं भदन्त धम्मश्रवणकालो अयं भदन्त. नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्से. नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्से. नमो तस्से भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्से. यावता चुंदी संकतावा यावता चुंदी अपादावा दिपादावा चतुप्पादावा बहुपादावा रूपिनो वा अरूपिनो वा संज्ञिनो वा असंज्ञिनो वा नेव संज्ञिना संज्ञिनो वा ते संतथागतो अगमघायति. Good evening, dear Dharma Upasaka Upasika. Today we are going to explain same topic using extra Dhamma part. Actually, this is very long sutta, Chundi Sutta. It is step by step mentioned. That main topic part. Chundi Sutta from Anguttara Nikaya, Panchaka Nipata Pali, Sumana Vagga, second sutta is the Chundi Sutta. This my topic part. Yavata Chundi Apadava Dipadava etc. Prince Chundi. In the world, animals are there, non-food animal, 2-foot animal, and 4-foot animal, more foot animal. Between them and Rupino wa Arupino. Rupino means Rupi Brahma, material Brahma. Arupino, non-material Brahma. It is Arupi Brahma. Sanjino, who have signal with the Brahma and all the beings. Asanyino mean without signal, without thoughts, only body. One kind of Brahma, one category only. And Nevasanyi Nasanyi mean Nevasanya Nasanya Etara Brahma, they are signal have or not, can't say that much, very smooth, very comfortable concentration. Just there. Between these different categories, anyone not comparing to the Buddha. Lord Buddha, our great Lord Buddha is the highest knowledge, greatest knowledge, and greatest quality had him, no anyone comparing to him. And that is the topic. On this topic, I step by step mention that non-food, two-food, four-food, more food animals, etc. And between them, especially I mention because of the unwholesome beings are going to the hell for hell mention and extra six deva also shortly mentioned. And I have to clearly mention about Rupa Brahma, Arupa Brahma. It will mention later. Last Monday talk, I mentioned about the unwholesome. Lord Buddha mentioned material world and immaterial mental side. Mental side, unwholesome, I mentioned little bit, very little bit. It is Lobha Chitta, Desa Chitta, Moha Chitta, very shortly mentioned. Especially 8 Lobha Chitta, Lobha Ditti, Lobha Mana mentioned. And according to the my topic, today I have to mention wholesome side. Unwholesome side mention. Today I am going to mention wholesome side. That unwholesome side we should learn clearly, very clearly, because in the world nothing any Dhamma comparing the Buddha's Dhamma. Whatever Lord Buddha mentioned, that is a real, clear mention. No need to any doubt. Actually, this Dhamma in the Tipitaka, this Tipitaka not only for Sri Lankan, not only for Indian, not only for Thailand, not only for Myanmar. These Tipitaka used in the world everywhere. That Theravada Tipitaka is the clear Dhamma mention. Thera means the elders. Elders Dhamma. Vada means the talk. Elders talk. That in the third Dhamma council was that King the Dhammasoka council period. Moggaliputta Desa Mahathera is their leader. At that period, post-week Dhamma also mixing. At that Dhamma council clearly mentioned elder Mahathera, old Mahathera, these are generatically protect Dhamma. This is the real Buddha's word. No need to any doubt. Without any doubt, we should believe this is because in present clear result. According to practice, without any doubt, clearly we can see result. In this period, in the Sri Lanka also, many wrong Dhamma talk are there. Many enlightened in the Sri Lanka, but they are not following Buddha's word. They are not following Tipitaka. They are saying, actually, nearly also I heard someone saying, no need to morality for enlight. Without sila can enlight. No need concentration. Without concentration can enlight. We are the mention. Foolish, only wrong view, surely will go to the hell. Sotapanna person will not go into the hell. Real Sotapanna surely will go into the human, Deva, Brahma, step by step upper, and they will not go into the hell. Actually, wrong view is many in the world, especially now in Sri Lanka. Also, many spending speaking wrong view Dhamma talk. And Sri Lanka have some anagami. They are believing anagami person have dosa chitta, anger. How can we anger according to the Abhidhamma Pitaka? Very, very clearly mentioned that is after attaining anagamihood, there will not drops of anger, hatred thoughts, fear thoughts, nothing fear. They are not crying, they are actually not arising those thoughts, those anger, no. But someone saying anagami is can be. Foolish, they are not following real Dhamma. They are not reading Tipitaka Dhamma. They are not learning Abhidhamma. Actually, we should learn Abhidhamma clearly, deeply. Many educators in the world, but they are not very well Abhidhamma. We should follow clear teachers. Without clear teacher, always ignorance growing. Because of the ignorance, reborn in the hell. Wrong view with the go to the hell mean will not come into this Mangala Chakavala. They will go to the out Chakavala also. Dark hell. They will go to the dark hell. Lokantarika Naraka. Actually, these are very important learn. And now, someone said, today one person said to me, now Arahant people are in the world. Arahant layman. How can, where can, foolishness, that is actually wrong view only. Arahant persons are practicing 100% Upasampada Sila. Arahant people, lay people also should practice 100% Upasampada Sila according to the Buddha's word. Only 7-day live life after 7 days should pass away or go to the ordain. Will maintain that life, ordained life only, not at home lay life. Many example. We are no main disciple Queen Khema, King Bimbisara's queen. She went to the visit Lord Buddha in the Velvararama and heard Dhamma, attended Sotapanna firstly, and between that talk, she enlightened, completed samsara journey, went to the palace and meet King Bimbisara and got permission to the ordain. Same day returned to the ordain. After that, she never planned to the ordain. Up to Arahantship, never planned. After that, into the Arahantship, ordain. Without ordain, Arahant people at home lay life. they are actually full of ignorance, ego only. These are real Buddha's word, not my word. Don't follow my word. Please will you follow Lord Buddha's word. That also Lord Buddha said. In Anguttara Nikaya, Lord Buddha said, teacher, whatever said, and Lord Buddha whatever said, that is, you should check up by yourself. You should practice clearly. You should learn clearly after learning. Firstly, pariyatti, after patipatti. Pariyatti means learn Dhamma. Please learn clearly Dhamma. And patipatti, according to Dhamma, should practice Dhamma. Mean practice sila, practice on the sila should meditate. Meditation will go ahead. While the cultivating patipatti, pariyapti pratipatti, prativeda means enlightening. Lord Buddha mentioned before, on the sila, concentration, etc., will grow in. On the sila samadhi will the enlighten Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami. These are mentioned properly. We should follow this according to the Theravada Tipitaka. It is very, very clear. No need to any doubt. Now in the world, many high scientists, they also follow in Buddhist word because real, what is the world, real things, that is the Buddhist Dharma. No need to think about this. Now they have AI knowledge, etc. No, they are also maybe few days ago. Normally, I discuss with the AI. Why religion for people? No need to religions, I ask. Yes, true. Without religious can live, but you should maintain especially loving kindness and karuna, etc. Good qualities. Without good qualities, will you go to the live in human life? Many problems come in. AI knowledge also given real Buddhist word, not another talk. And I discuss about different religions, always giving Buddha's word, because that is not a human knowledge. It is created knowledge. They are also collecting clear Dhamma. You should learn Dhamma properly, you should hear Dhamma properly, and should practice Dhamma properly up to Prativeda mean up to enlightenment. This wrong view, etc. last week I mentioned. Today I am going to mention wholesome side very shortly. This is the kernel wholesome. Kamavachara wholesome. Kamavachara wholesome, 8 Kamavachara wholesome is there. That is Samanasagata Jnana Samprayutta Sanskara, Samanasagata Jnana Samprayutta Sanskara, Samanasagata, yes, Upeka Sagata Jnana Samprayutta Sanskara, Upeka Sagata Jnana Samprayutta Sanskara, and Samanasagata Jnana Vipayutta Asankara, Samanasagata Jnana Vipayutta Sasankara, Upekka Sahata Jnana Vipayutta Asankara, Upekka Sahata Jnana Vipayutta Sasankara, 8 wholesome thoughts are there. that is what is the Somanasagata Jnana Samprayukta Sasankhara. Somanasa means the happy mind. Jnana Samprayukta means wiseful, wisdomful, knowledgeful thought. Jnana Samprayukta Asankhara means without dirty. That is a pure mind. Dirty means a small weakness in that mind. That is example. Someone thinking, I want to offer dana, and call to the friends. According to the friend talk, we join into Dhamma. That two person between two, himself thought to give dana, that is the asankara, because not a weak, not a, the support directly him idea. And once is there, because of the other calling, other supporting giving dana, that is the sasankara. That way, sasankara, sankara, they are good topic. Ekasataka Brahmana topic. Maybe you know that Ekasataka Brahmana had only upper cloth, one cloth only for both that family, husband and wife. Both had only one cloth for cover upper body, and inner cloth had both. Daytime, that wife, lady, gone to the hear Dhamma. And nighttime, man go to the hear Dhamma, because ladies can stay home without upper body covering. And that man, Upasaka, while the hearing Dhamma, first beginning, after start here, got a strong faith about the Dhamma. While the growing faith, he thought something offering is better to the Buddha. What I can offer? Nothing. I can offer this cloth. Upper body covering cloth I can offer, without that I can live. Sorry, will offer my wife, how will go to the here Dhamma? Wife will suffer, cannot offer. It is forced down. And he heard Dhamma while the hearing midnight, also got strong faith, and he thought will offer, not problem. Between the thinking, again that same idea about how will go to the Dhamma. Here, my wife, she can't go without upper body covering. Again, forced down. Early in the morning, end of the night, again same idea. He immediately got that upper body covering cloth and went to the meet Buddha, offer to the Buddha that cloth. And I am winner, said something. That Ekasataka Brahmana's talk hurt King Kosala. King Kosalasa don't like to win anyone. Who's that talker? Called to him. Ask for what? I winner from craving thought. Giving up craving, I offer my cloth to the Lord Buddha. At that moment, step by step, 64 cloth got from King Kosala because of the offering merit. That day, first in the evening, first thought together, offered that cloth, he taking triple like that cloth. It is the asankara, your mind. And that Ekasataka Brahmana. In the evening, while the first thought offer cloth, he is taking many facilities same day because of that. It was asankara chitta. Second, it becomes asankara. Third, became was asankara. Became more weak. That is why only got 64 cloth because of the offering merit. Like this, asankara, sasankara, learning is very important. But that wholesome thought, happy with the wiseful, wisdomful thought. First, Somnasat Jnana mind. Effect will go to the human or Deva's life. They are not a big difference. It become to the sasankara or asankara. That is not a big difference. But benefitness, small differences are there like that. Somnasagata jnana sampayutta asankara thought. Second one, somnasagata jnana sampayutta sasankara thought. It is happy and knowledge for weak mind. Second one. Third thought, happy is there, no wisdom. That is not a wiseful thought. And no sasankara. It is asankara, and that means strong mind without wisdom. Wisdom means insight, no karmapala knowledge, cause and effect knowledge. Why and collecting wholesome for liberation, that knowledges are no. Without deep knowledge, doing wholesome, that is uh, uh, Somnasagata Jnana Vipavita thought. Yes, sorry. Somnasagata Jnana Sampayutta, Somnasagata Jnana Vipavita, and Upekka Sagata Jnana Sampayutta, Upekka Sagata Jnana Vipavita. This is third thought. Upekka Sagata Jnana Sampayutta. Upekka means no happy, but equal mind, wisdom mind. Right? Not a weak mind, strong mind. It is the Upekka Sagata Jnana Sampayutta. And Upekka Sagata Jnana Sampayutta Sasankara mind mean equal mind, not a more happy, enjoying with the wholesome. Without enjoyment, wholesome thoughts are there. Wisdom is there. Why doing wholesome for liberation? Wholesome, unwholesome, clearly knowledge, fully doing. It is the wisdom mind and sasankara mean weak mind. Upekka sahagata jnana sampayutta sasankara thought is the fourth thought. Fifth thought is the somanasahagata jnana vipayutta sasankara, asankara. It is happiness is there, no wisdom, and strong mind. Fifth and sixth mind, happiness is there, no wisdom, mind also weak. It is the Somanasagata jnana Vipayutta Sasankara thought. And 7 wholesome thought. Upekka Sagata Jnana Vipayutta Asankara. Equal mind, not enjoy and not wisdom. And mind is strong. That is the 7th mind. 8 one, Upekka Sahagata Jnana Vipayutta Sasankara. No enjoyment, happiness is no there, and wisdom also no there, and weak mind. That 8 Mahakusala Chitta, we have to learn properly. This is very short mention. I think by the translation will mention clearly because our translator is expert. She know this Abhidhamma also, and will there any matters I will mention clearly. And like this wholesome, what will give in? It will bring into the good life, human life or Deva's life. 6 reign of Deva, that means Chatur Maharajika Deva, Tavatinsa Deva, Yama Deva, Tusisa Deva, Nimmanarati Deva, Paranimita Vasavati Deva. 6 Devas are there. By this 8 wholesome will go to the human and Deva's life. That is never anyone mentioned without Lord Buddha. Our great Lord Buddha only mentioned this because his wisdom is so deep. He clearly understood world situation, how we'll go to the good life, how we'll go to the bad life, everything he understood. That is clearly mentioned our great Lord Buddha. And these 8 wholesome have another 2 categories. Kriya Chitta, that means enlightened, fully enlightened. That means Arahant people mind always Kriya, only action. It will not give in effect. That is the Kriya mind. And it for supermundane Arahant thought. And Vipaka means that future effect. First doing wholesome, effect will come future. Go to the human life or Deva life, that effects. That is the Vipaka. Like that, 24 thoughts are there, wholesome thoughts, wholesome side. Lord Buddha mentioned like this unwholesome, wholesome, or clearly understood and mentioned. And in this wholesome, unwholesome have Chetasika also. Chetasika means mental factors, contact, feeling, formation, etc. 52 mental factors Lord Buddha mentioned. That also you should learn by yourself because these are more deep and more things have to mention. Not enough time for that. I am making very short this. But we should understand this. Everything are understood our great Lord Buddha. His knowledge, who can think about that Buddha knowledge? Nobody have that knowledge. That is the so high, so great, so powerful mind, Buddha's mind. He mentioned this wholesome everything And according to wholesome, unwholesome, going to the hell and going to the human and going to the deva. And extra wholesome mention beyond the deva. Brahma is there. They are so peaceful life. How we'll go to the Brahma's world? That also Lord Buddha mentioned by the practicing Dhamma meditation, by practicing meditation, they can concentrate, preliminary concentrate, and access concentration, access jhana, and that is giving human or deva benefitness, can't go beyond Brahma, and by the meditation can attain to the first level, first jhana. First jhana is the deeper. Actually, first jhana thought have vitak vichara, piti sukha ekaggata. That first level, they are in the human world practicing will go to the Brahma Parasajya world. That is the Rupavachara wholesome thoughts. That Brahma have body and mind both. The Rupavachara Brahma by the practicing many meditation objects, especially body mindfulness in the thought on 32 parts. They are going to the first jhana level. It is only that 32 parts meditation growing up to the first jhana level. And Asubha mean 10 Asubha, it also growing up to the first jhana level. And another jhana, metta, karuna, mudita, that growing up to the third level mean that third jhana meditators going to the Brahma third level. Yes, and fourth Upekha jhana and Anapana meditation on the Anapana, and on the 10 kasina can grow up to the fourth level. It means will go to the Vihappana Brahma. And after beyond that, Aviha Atappa Sudassa Sudasi Akanit 5 Brahma world is there. Going to their only Anagami Brahma, not the Dhyana meditators. Anagami with the Dhyana, without Dhyana cannot enlighten. Sotapanna also Dhyana level, first Dhyana together can attain to Sotapanna, and second Dhyana, third Dhyana, fourth Dhyana, after that can attain to Sotapanna. Same way, first, second, third, fourth jhana, after that can attain to the Sakadagami. First, second, third, fourth jhana, after that can attain to the Anagami. First, second, third, fourth jhana, after that can attain to the Arihatship also. After first jhana can attain to the Sotapanna, after first jhana can attain to the Sakadagami, after first jhana can attain to the Anagami, after first jhana can attain to the Arihatship. Like this, Rupavachara world mentioned Lord Buddha. Between this Anagami world and Vihappana Brahma, there is the Asanya Satta Brahma world. Asanya Satta means there are no mind without mind, only material. Material world is the Asanya Satta. These 16 Brahmas were there. That is a wholesome thought. That also Kriya and Vipaka mentioned Lord Buddha. That is yourself you should learn. And beyond that, Arupavacharabal mean no material, only mind, Akasananchayatana, Vinyananchayatana, Akinchanyayatana. That Akinchanyayatana, after that, there's the so peace place, so calm place, that is the Neosanyana Sanyayatana mind, the Brahma. This Rupa Vachara Rupa Vachara also Lord Buddha mentioned. Today, uh, explain only this Rupa Vachara Rupa Vachara very shortly. Can be today talk bit longer. Never mind, you can make two part, and by the translation you can make two, huh? Because actually this topic I want to complete, because after the Buddha's quality I have to mention Dhamma quality, after that Sangha quality, according to my topic. That is why I am making very short this Rupavacharaval, Arupavacharaval. Extra is there. Sotapanna Sakadagami Anagami. Actually, for that need to another talk, another Dhamma talk, because that is a little bit clearly knowing is very important. No? For that I will give next Dhamma talk about noble truth. Huh? And Lokottara mind. What are the Lokottara mind? I will mention in future future talk. It means coming Monday. This today actually can't mention within like this shortly. These are so deep Dhamma. These are very clear Dhamma in the world. What are they in the world? That is Lord Buddha clearly mentioned. These are cannot touch without wisdom. Need to keep wisdom. Again and again learning. Little by little knowledge coming. Again we should learn this. We should hear. Actually these are in the Kasa Buddha period, hurt by bat. Bat mean they night time fly like a owl animal. No? They 500 hear this, and because of the hearing merit, they all the 500 born as a deva. And in Gautama Buddha Sasana period, that 500 came to the human world and ordained in the Gautama Buddha Sasana and enlightened in the Gautama Buddha Sasana and learn Abhidhamma, these deep knowledges properly by the that 500 venerables. Actually, this learning is very important. So great. Please will you try to learn step by step. And for the time being, I would like to share today merit and our Vivek Sakya, Mr. Vivek Sakya asked to little bit chant and bless to you know. Now it is close to the 9 or 10 o'clock. Do you want chant?
No, short chant, Bante. As you
Yes.
wish. As you wish.
Okay. Actually, today is so great, so deep Dhamma talk is there. My English is weak, but our translator is expert for translation. These are because she know these are. Will there any weak mention? She can ask by myself. I will translate. I will mention clearly. That is, and during the this year in Dhamma, accumulated merit. How much? Cannot measure. So great merit accumulated. By this great merit, all of this, the Kalyanamita committee members together, Kalyanamita meditators, Kalyanamita Dhamma workers, all as soon as we reach to the liberation. After liberation, all the facilities come to yourself for cultivate your parami, and as soon as we'll reach the liberation by the cultivating parami. And who are the past relatives, all will rejoice in by the your merit, all will reach to liberation. After liberation, all the facilities will come to themselves also for cultivate parami. Especially our life protective, sasana protective, world protective, they were rejoicing our merit. They also, as soon as we'll reach to the liberation, after liberation, we'll take all the facilities by our merit. We can share that we merit, and my short blessing to the Kalyanamita group sharing by the sharing merit. Sambityo yajjanto sambirogo vinassato mate pavatvantarayo sukhi digayuko bhava bhavatu sabba mangalam rakhantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sada satthi bhavantu te bhavatu sabba mangalam rakhantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sada satthi bhavantu te भवतु सब मंगलं रक्षन्तु सब देवता सब संघानुभावेन सदा सद्धि भवन्तु ते अभिवादन शीलिस नित्यं वद्धापचायिन चत्तारो धम्मा वर्धन्ति आयुवन्नो सुखं बलं आयुरारोग्य संपत्ति सग्ग संपत्तिमेव च अतो निब्बान संपत्ति मिनाते समिज्जतो सुखी हो तो निब्बान बच्चो हो तो
Sadhu, sadhu. Thank you, Bante. Thank you so much, Bante.
सुखी हो तो
सर्वांनी भंतेंना त्रिवार वंदन करायचंय. भंते, थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्यू.
सुखी हो तो
या. थँक्यू भंते.
ओके ऑल द बेस्ट सुखी हो तो निब्बान बच्चो हो तो
साधु साधु साधु.
Okay, Vivek.
हा दाबू. सर्वांनी आलात आणि अशीच ऊर्जा कायम ठेवा. भंते दर सोमवारी 9 ते 10 या वेळेमध्ये धम्मप्रवचनासाठी येतात. तर आपल्याला सर्वांना प्रायोरिटी ठेवायची आहे. सोमवारच्या दिवशी तुमचे कामं लवकर आटपून पूर्ण मित्र परिवार, आपले धम्ममित्र असतील, धम्माच्या मार्गावर चालणारे सर्व आपले जे काही सहकारी असतील त्यांना ही लिंक शेअर करा आणि या सेशनला जॉईन करा. सोमवारी डेली पण 7 ते 8 सेशन असतं, ते पण जॉईन करू शकता. आणि कल्याण मित्र चॅनलवर पण ते डेली जे काही व्हिडिओ आहेत ते आलेले असतात, ते तुम्ही बघू शकता. तर सर्वांचे खूप खूप धन्यवाद जॉईन केल्याबद्दल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. गुड नाईट.